In this video, I'll show you how to change mouse cursor speed on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our desktop background, right? Now, for you to be able to change your mouse cursor speed, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this stats bar icon, right? Click on the settings. Once you have clicked on the settings, you're going to come on here, click on Bluetooth and devices, right? You can see the mouse right here. Click on the mouse and you can see the mouse pointer speed right here. So if you adjust this to the highest 20, you can see how fast our mouse is moving, right? It's moving really fast. So if you reduce it to, I think this is the list guy, like this is the list. So this is how slow it's gonna be moving, right? So I'm gonna adjust it, right? So this is how you can change mouse cursor speed in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.